All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to go over a summary of the moderate documentation. And what do I mean by moderate? Basically what that means is like an intermediate user would use this documentation, okay? Or if you want to get to an intermediate level, then you would aspire to go through that documentation to understand a more intermediate level of Python, okay? So once you get past the beginner phase, then you go to intermediate level. Okay, so I'm going to right click on Python periodicals and I'll open that link in a new tab here. And basically what this is several periodicals dedicated to Python programming language. So we have active Python Weekly, PyCoders Weekly, Python Papers. These are inactive, so Python Magazine, Python Rag, okay, and then archived, PyZine, and then Python Journal. So these are just publications that talk about Python. Okay, so it's very cool, and it'll give you some interesting information. Okay, and this is delivered by email, and this is issued weekly via email. Okay, with an archive. I can't spit it out. Sorry. Okay, then Python books. So with this, there are a variety of books about Python. Here's a guide to them. Okay, so you have introductory books, advanced books, reference books, and then specific applications. So game programming books, network programming books, guide books, Python books, scientific programming books, system administration books, web programming books, Windows books, XML books, ZOP books, and then books in languages other than English. So you have Ukrainian, Dutch, French, German, Greek, Hungarian, Japanese, Korean, Russian, Persian, Polish, Portuguese, Arabic, and Spanish. Okay. External sources about Python books, pythonbooks.org, computerbooks.us, computerbooks.china, and then 101 plus free Python books. Okay, so those are the Python books that you can grab. And like I said, this is just documentation for moderate users, but it's more to advance your knowledge to the advanced level. Okay, so that's really it for the moderate guide. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.